In Jamaica, we have a saying that says once bitten, twice shy, but I'm seeing a story where it appears to me that a man has a different mantra which says once bitten, twice brave. Drug dealer in Buju Banton case arrested again. Wow.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
One of the men who pleaded guilty to drug trafficking charges in a case that involved Buju Banton has again been arrested. Ian Thomas, 51, was arrested in Florida on February 16th on 3 charges, including money laundering and unlawful use of a communication device. Thomas, who Buju said he knew since he was 19, was arrested in 2009 along with Buju and another co-accused, James Mack. Thomas and Mack pleaded guilty to drug trafficking charges and were given light sentences. They were released in August 2013. Buju, on the other hand, claimed his innocence, went to trial and was convicted. But with Thomas' arrest less than 5 years after his release, Buju's defense support team feels it is vindication for Buju Banton, real name Mark Myrie, who has always maintained his innocence. This arrest shows that he, Thomas, was not credible, and we have always had an issue with that from the get-go. Here it is, he turned against Buju, entered a plea bargain, got a reduced sentence, and almost immediately after, on his own, he is found with drugs and arrested, a member of the committee said. They were the ones caught in the warehouse in 2009. Mark Myrie was arrested at his home. It is clear at this point who was the drug dealer. Buju was found guilty of cocaine-related charges 7 years ago. In audio recordings played in court, Buju was heard thanking Colombian drug baron turned United States informant Alexander Johnson for an opportunity to make some money. "You have given me the opportunity to make myself again," Buju said to Johnson. The conversation took place while Johnson and Buju were in a vehicle driving to a police undercover warehouse where cocaine was hidden. Johnson claimed Buju introduced him to Thomas earlier that day as a man who is involved in the drug trade and could locate people who are willing to buy cocaine. Peep, sometimes you have to take bad things make joke. I mean, not even have much to say about this, you know. All I want to say is to the Gargamel, go and hold up my boss. You have been away for a while. I'm sure this experience would have made you a better and a stronger man, and you soon get to the road. You soon reach yard, my boss. Go and hold it. Manners.
Like, subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification button. Hey yo, we always up to something.
This video was made possible through the continued generosity of my patrons. To become a patron, follow the link in the description below.
Teach them! Hey yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.